Good morning. The people vote particular political party for power hoping that they will do something good for them. But unfortunately, the ministries, by collecting huge bribe, interfere with all rules and regulations, including selection process by service commissions, and commits all sorts of frauds and appoint their own persons for consideration. This resulted West Bengal case where multi number of teachers who are working for 5 years, more than 5 years, have been removed by the High Court of West Bengal, and that went to Supreme Court. So Supreme Court uh, on 3/4/2025 dismissed the West Bengal claim, but however given some relief to process those candidates who are not selected by fraud and other things. The ratio was totally different. So you see that these things I want you to understand the how they have conducted selections by what all are the fraud committed. Number one, ramp jumping. Try to understand rank jumping. Rank jumping means the candidates who is having lower rank were preferred over those having higher rank. Out of panel appointment, that is, candidates who are not in the panel, shortlisted candidates have been recommended and appointed. Third one, candidates who are not recommended by West Bengal Service Commission were appointed by the board, and manipulation of OMR scores. So these things, frauds were subsequently admitted by the West Bengal. So they held that the entire selection process was vitiated and tainted beyond resolution. Judgment of High Court by which entire selection was set aside was upheld, but certain directions issued were modified. So they have given that those actually eligible, that has to be considered, they say. Then another ratio was latches. Principle of delay and latches is not applicable in this case because it was case was preferred only after detecting, finding, investigating the fraud. Then finally they also said the principle of natural justice which was provided will not cure your fraud that had occurred. This is what the Supreme Court has given. Go through the entirety of very shocking judgment, and they have successfully in Tamil Nadu multi-number of these process is going on, and some indirect process is also that appointing a booth committee agents as legal counsels, standing counsels, government advocate, public prosecutor, additional public prosecutor, X, Y, Z, and minting money. I am told that for a special government pleader post, 20 lakhs laptop was given. That was they say. Some have seems to have given some beautiful car for getting post, and multi number of standing councils are gathering in the court like a crowd. But some people are doing good things. This is what had happened. This has to be checked. The Supreme Court has given multi number of judgment, and nobody care to put this because what had actually happened. The list is being circulated before the judges, and some of the judges also influence the state government to prefer their wards or their known persons as a government pleader or public prosecutor, additional public, what not. What is that? That means it's just like a gambling. If anybody wins the gambling, you take over all the monies. So this exchequer is being looted by implanting the booth agents. services. Another thing was that for every year they used to conduct a meeting wherein these government leaders were forced to appointed the panel advocates are forced to donate which is going to crores of rupees to the fund of the ruling party. अच्छा डेमोक्रेसी. नमस्कार.